सो दे से एक्सपीरियंस डॉक्टर के पास जाएंगे, जिसके बाल सफ़ेद हैं उसके पास जाएंगे क्योंकि उसे नॉलेज है, एक्सपीरियंस है। बट एज अ पेशेंट उनको नॉलेज नहीं है कितना पेन होगा, बिलिंग काउंटर कहाँ है, सर्जरी के लिए कितनी देर लगेगी, रिकवरी प्रोसेस कितना लंबा है। Patients don't experience it daily.
The best way to predict the future is to invent it. Imagine a platform addressing all your IPD queries at one go. Imagine at a push of a button, all your paperwork, be it insurance, financing, admission or discharge, taken care. Imagine somebody taking care of not only you but your caregivers as well.
We started Hexa 3 years back with a simple objective in mind. We wanted to simplify the patient's IPD journey, and hence our tagline as well, Surgery Simplified.
At Hexa, we want to build a patient-centric platform to help at each step of patient journey, right from discovery to recovery.
So at Hexa, we wanted to take care of the care part and make sure that the patient is always in the right hands.
We have built a solid foundation,
For a very, very long journey forward.
built excellent insights into the patient journey and deep connects with our hospital partners.
I am very proud of what we have achieved over the last 3 years. In the first year, we started with Delhi NCR, and we started with categories like general surgery, urology, cosmetic, etc. In the second year, we moved to Bangalore and Mumbai and moved into further complicated categories.
At present, we are evolving the surgical experience in 64 locations across the country, compared to 31 last year.
Today, I am very proud to say that we manage over 25,000 queries every month.
We are committed to breaking barriers, making healthcare more accessible, and setting new standards for excellence. Our digital footprint has grown significantly with 40% more visitors to our website. An impressive milestone we have achieved is surpassing 1 lakh downloads for the Hexa Health app. Additionally, we have seen a remarkable 76% rise in engagement within our proprietary Health GPT conversation, an achievement in itself in our industry.
With this, we are ready to launch our tech-enabled pre-op and post-op journey, which will be first of its kind in the country to develop that seamless journey for the patient.
While there are multiple achievements that I am proud of because of the hard work that our team has put in, there are a few which obviously stand out. One of them has been the first cadaveric liver transplant that our team was able to manage for the patient.
From the initial point of contact with the patient care coordinators of Hexa Health, we have been able to educate the patients on every aspect of the healthcare process. We take pride in alleviating the additional steps for the patients when it comes to choosing the best hospital, finding skilled doctors, and booking quick appointments with them. Not just that, we have gained the patient's trust with guaranteed trustworthy second opinions for any kind of healthcare concern. Hexa Health stands as a pillar of support to lift the burden of worries and take over the overwhelming hospitalization formalities to let you and your loved ones focus only on your well-being. HexaBuddy has proven its role of being your health companion at every step of the surgical process. From pre-operative surgery information to providing much-needed companionship to the patients and their families, to performing all the necessary paperwork for effective and seamless discharge. Hexa Health has truly justified its commitment to revolutionizing the healthcare experience by integrating technology with top-notch, advanced, and transparent medical practices.
In addition, our team has received multiple accolades from the patients, including a paper rose which was sent by a patient to a care counselor, including the shawl, the gifts that we get from as far regions as Kashmir to the care counselors with essays around how we have been able to take care of their loved ones.
यहाँ पे मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि हेक्सा हेल्थ इज़ अ गुड प्लेटफॉर्म हेक्सा से संपर्क करने के बाद उन्होंने जो है मेरी इस इंश्योरेंस संबंधी जो है जो भी कार्य था उन्होंने खुद अपने से कराया।
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस हेक्सा हेल्थ के साथ काफ़ी अच्छा रहा।
हेक्सा हेल्थ केयर से के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव मुझे रेगुलर मेरे से कांटेक्ट में थे।
ये सर्जरी एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही अच्छा था क्योंकि डॉक्टर बहुत ही ज़्यादा रिनाउंड थे और डॉक्टर बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस थे।
जो मेडिकल जो क्रिटिकल जो स्थिति थी उसके बारे में सहायता करने के लिए एवं मेरे को लीवर ट्रांसप्लांट कराने के लिए मोटिवेट करने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना हूँ।
ऊपर वाला तो है ही है, लेकिन उनका भी शुक्रिया अदा पूरा टीम को करते हैं।
And that's the whole thing. I appreciate Hexa Health and these employees who help people in such a great way.
मैं हेक्सा हेल्थ के सारे परिवार को अपनी ओर से धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा।
मेरा आशीष तंवर के साथ मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। आई विश हिम बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर होल लाइफ। बहुत अच्छा लड़का है एंड उसको देखते हुए मुझे लगता है कि पूरा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ही काफ़ी अच्छा है। उनके लिए मेरी बेस्ट विशेस।
हेक्सा हेल्थ के थ्रू ही मेरे को डॉक्टर मिल पाए जो कि बहुत ही अच्छे थे अपने काम पे और आज मैं आपसे कॉन्फिडेंटली बात कर पा रहा हूँ। सो आई विल डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड यू कि आप हेक्सा हेल्थ के थ्रू जाइए और हेक्सा हेल्थ जब आपको सपोर्ट करेगा तो आपको खुद महसूस होगा कि दे आर द बेस्ट। थैंक यू।
हम हेक्सा हेल्थ में डॉक्टर आरटे को अपनी ओर से पूरी तरह थैंक यू बोलना, अपने पूरे परिवार के से उनको धन्यवाद का पात्र हैं वो हैं जिन्होंने मेरे पिताजी की हम जान पूरी तरह से सुरक्षित बचा ली है।
हेक्सा हेल्थ की पूरी टीम को मेरी तरफ से तहे दिल से बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
The experience with Hexa has been wonderful and I am thankful to the Hexa। मेरे को लगता है कि इतने दिनों की तकलीफ के बाद अच्छे दिन फिर से आ रहे हैं। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू टू हेक्सा हेल्थ।
Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Yes, we are patient centric. We want to be everything for the patient and the patient should just feel Hexa hai to nothing to worry about.
In the coming years, we envision Hexa Health as the epitome of health quality healthcare, not only within our current reach but also in new regions and communities.
That's what will help us stand out in the long run.
As we celebrate our 3rd anniversary, I am filled with immense pride and gratitude.
It was not possible with just one person or two people's thought process. It is everybody in the team. Each individual has contributed exceptionally well.
Our journey so far has been nothing short of remarkable, and it's all because of the dedication and the passion of the team that make the difference.
So I believe that at Hexa we will always stand for care, and I always would be highly indebted to our entire team for taking us to where we are today.
I want to thank each and everyone at Hexa for believing in our mission and making this possible.
Thank you for what you have done, and I always like to end with the famous lines of Robert Frost. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, there are promises to keep, but miles to go before I sleep, miles to go before I sleep. So buckle up, we still have a long way to go, but I'm pretty sure that with all the dedication that we have put in patient care, we will be able to reach our goals soon.
Our journey is just the beginning and the possibilities are endless.